Our next special case is factoring with perfect square trinomials. So we are going to look at trinomials, aka three terms, that when you factor them, create perfect squares. So take a look at this guy. Notice he's a trinomial where his first term and his last term are both perfect squares. The middle term is twice the product of their square roots. So if you have a scenario like this, it will factor to a plus b quantity squared. So this first guy is the square root of your first term, and then the square root of your second term. This is a plus because this was a plus. If it was subtraction, it's a very similar process. We would have a minus b quantity squared. So this is super fast, but you do have to make sure that you actually have this scenario. Trinomial, perfect square in front, perfect square in back, and in the middle is twice the product of those square roots. That can be hard to look for. So if you're confused by this at all, know that you will be able to use earmuffs on this problem. It might just take you a little bit longer. So notice in this example, perfect square, the square root of 9x squared is 3x. The square root of 16 is 4. So this middle term, if you think about the product of 3x and 4, is 12x. This middle guy is twice that product. 2 times 12x would be 24x. So if you actually have this scenario, then I can call this 3x minus 4 quantity squared. See, this now is a perfect square, hence where we're getting the name. If you were to do earmuffs correctly, you'd get 3x minus 4 times 3x minus 4, which could be written as 3x minus 4 squared. So it does get you to the same spot. So if any of this is confusing, stick to the tried and true. If this made sense, then you've got yourself a nice shortcut.